How's it going? Mike here, The Fresh Rinse. I'm on location here in Lebanon, Ohio for opportunity 2 of 3 on the day. And man, I've got a really dirty video for you to watch today. You don't want to miss this. Before we continue, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment, and if you will hit that bell tab, wherever that it is, that means you and I will get to spend lots of time together. And the comment today is, tell me what city and state that you are in. I'm interested. I want to know where my followers hail from. I want to do a product review today, and this should be a lot of fun because the rear of this house, the north side, it's a doozy. So I'm noticing lately that my M5 Twist is really beginning to, I don't know, it's just not operating correctly. It's fraying. You'll see that here in a moment. So I ordered a new one, and I want to do a side-by-side comparison. I'm used to using an M5 Twist, so I went online, I typed in M5 Twist, I think on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description. And this came up. It's the DS Twist. Looks exactly like the M5 Twist, only it's made by XJet. So apparently it's an XJet product. So we're going to use it for the first time today, and you get to watch and see what you think. It should be fun. Don't go anywhere. So this is a great opportunity to display the new DS Twist. Comment and tell me what you think the DS stands for. I have a pretty good idea. So this is my current M5 Twist. Notice how frayed it looks, like there's nothing even about the pattern. I'm using an 8-gallon-a-minute machine set at about 2,800 pounds of pressure. So get a visual of this. You can see how frayed that it looks. So I like to water down the house really well before I take my before picture. And that gives a nice dramatic effect for the before and after pictures that I'll be posting online later this evening. I got this opportunity through Facebook, the marketplace, what you might call a community site, community, yard sale, neighborhood page, something like that. Again, this is opportunity 2 of 3 on the day. Okay, we're back. I got my before pictures, and now I am soaping down the house with my M5 Twist, the one that I've had now for at least this entire season. I am soaping down the house with a solution called sodium hypochlorite. This is at 12.5%, and I'm using a method referred to as downstreaming. And so by the time that the solution reaches this wall, the sodium hypochlorite is actually at less than 1%. I'm using a 2.3 injector to perform this process. So I'll soap down the house really well. I'll let it dwell for about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and do a heavy rinse with the new DS Twist. Okay, it's been dwelling now for about 15 minutes as I washed this side of the fence. I'm also washing all of the concrete here on this property, the back patio, and then all the concrete up front. We now have the DS Twist installed. You saw what the M5 Twist looked like, and I've had that for about a year. Loved it at first, but you know, things wear down. So going to give it a hall pass there, and we're going to try the new DS Twist. Tell me again, what does the DS stand for? Here we go. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. This is what the M5 Twist looked like after about a year. You can see lots and lots of fraying. Looks terrible. And here is the new DS Twist. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to rinse this back side off along with that fence area and then proceed to washing the rest of the home. Now here's the DS Twist in its tightest pattern as we rinse the back side of this home. Moving on to some concrete, let me show you what this does. All right, so what are my thoughts on the new DS twist? Well, I think it's exactly an M5 twist. Notice this hole here, and this hole here has writing here. One time it had writing there. It's the same thing. Okay, so now I got the dumbed down version of this. By that I mean I got the, let's see here, 3 to 7 gallon a minute version. I'm using an 8 gallon a minute machine, but I purchased the 3 to 7 gallon a minute. Is it minutes per minute? It's not GAM, it's GPM. And whoever pointed that out last time, I hate your guts. It's not gallon a minute, it's gallons per minute. Yes, I get it. Anyhow, Joe Deary is the one who coined the phrase slap. And he also kind of coined the idea of dumbing down on your M5 twist, or in this case, the DS twist, so that you get more punch, you get more slap. And I will say that that is absolutely the case. This one is 3 to 7 gallons per minute. Let's see that again. See there? My old one is 7 to 12. And I will tell you, this gets much more slap. So I'm all in favor of the DS10. And be sure to get, did you see that nice lady? She just took a picture of my truck. Be sure to get the dumbed down version. All right, you heard it here first. We are done with this project. On to one more today. Opportunity 2 of 3 in the bag. Mike, the Fresh Rinse, and I'm out.